Hello students. Today we will learn about definite article which is the. Previously we have learned about indefinite article a and an. So now about the. So first we will see the uses of the. Number one, when we represent a whole class with a singular noun. When we represent a whole class with a singular noun, we have to use the before that noun. Suppose, number one, the dog is man's best friend. Here, dog is singular noun. With this singular noun, we are not particularly addressing Tommy or Johnny. We are representing the whole dog class. That's why we have to put the before that singular noun. The dog is man's best friend. But remember, when you are using man or woman to represent the whole class, never write the before that noun. So, man or woman representing whole class, never write the before that. Okay, so singular noun representing the whole class, you have to write the before that. But exception is there when man or woman representing the whole mankind, then you will not write the before that. Clear? Okay. Second point. When we talk about someone or something previously and we have to repeat that thing again, then you have to put the. Okay, suppose one example, I forgot the name of that brown haired boy. The name of. ठीक है? Third, before superlative degree. This point is very important. Before superlative degree. Before superlative degree. Suppose if I give an example, this is the best biryani I ever tasted. This is the best biryani I ever tasted. Okay, this is the best biryani I ever tasted. Sorry, that I ever tasted. That I ever tasted. This is the best biryani that I ever tasted. Now, best is the superlative form of good. Good, better, best. So, before superlative degree, we have to write the article the. So, 3 points, what I told just now. Number one, before a singular noun representing the whole class. Second, before the noun which we have talked before, earlier also. Third, before superlative degree. Okay, these 3 points. Now, next point, that is fourth point, when you have to put or write D. That is before the name of newspaper. Before the name of newspaper. For example, The Times of India. The Hindustan Times, The Telegraph, before the name of newspaper. Fifth, before the name of seas, oceans, mountain, gulf, river, island, etc. So, before the name of seas, ocean, mountain, gulfs, river, island, before this we have to write the article D. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Indus, the Andaman, before the name of newspaper, before the name of mountain, ocean, seas, gulf, island, mountain, river. Next, sixth point, before the name of holy books or classics. The Gita, वैसे ही the Bible, the Quran. Okay, before the name of holy books और classics. इसके पहले भी हम the article का यूज करेंगे. सेवेंथ पॉइंट क्या है? Before the name of imaginary line, geographical imaginary line. Before the name of geographical imaginary line. एग्जाम्पल क्या आते हैं? द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. करेक्ट? द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, द इक्वेटर, द नॉर्थ पोल, द साउथ पोल. सो जितना भी इमेजिनरी लाइंस है, जियोग्राफिकल इमेजिनरी लाइंस है, उसके पहले हमें द आर्टिकल यूज करना है. इसके बाद आते हैं बिफोर द नाउन विच इज यूनिक. Before the noun which is unique. Suppose example, the sun. एक ही है ना sun. So उसके आगे क्या आएगा? आर्टिकल दी. The sun, the Jupiter, the Mars, the earth. सारे जितने भी यूनिक है उसके आगे आर्टिकल दी आ जाएगा। अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट, दैट इज बिफोर अ प्रॉपर नाउन। नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले आर्टिकल दी नहीं आते हैं, कोई भी आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले। लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या बोल रही हूं मैं, लिसन केयरफुली, बिफोर द प्रॉपर नाउन ओनली व्हेन इट इज क्वालिफाइड बाय एन एडजेक्टिव। Before the proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective, in that case the will be there. Let me give an example. Okay, the great Amitabh बच्चन। नाउ सी, डायरेक्टली अमिताभ बच्चन के पहले दी नहीं बैठा है, द अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं, द ग्रेट अमिताभ बच्चन। दैट मीन्स अमिताभ बच्चन के पहले क्या है, ग्रेट, विच इज एन एडजेक्टिव। उसके पहले आप आर्टिकल दी लिख सकते हो। सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दैट D will be there before the proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective. Only that things. Okay. Then coming the name of any musical instrument, the guitar, the harmonium, all these things. So this is the thing where you will use the. Okay. Now we will learn about omission of article, where we will not use any article, definite हो या indefinite हो, where we will not use article. Number one, before proper noun. Before proper noun we will not use article. Da Ram, da Sham, no. Before material noun, the gold, the platinum, we will not use any article. A gold, no. Third, before titles preceding proper noun, the Mother Teresa, no. Mother Teresa, mother is the title given to her. So the Mother Teresa, not correct. So before titles preceding proper noun, we will not write the. Fourth, before languages, the Hindi, the English, the Urdu, no. And before the names of relation, the mummy, the papa, the aunt, the uncle, no. So these 5 things are there where we will not use any article. Hope you understand. Any queries, you can comment me. Thanks for watching.